Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the SIM pin on a Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to change the pin code for the SIM card, first we need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then once again scroll down and go to more security and privacy. And then scroll down and find SIM lock. Over here first we will need to activate the SIM lock, so tap the slider, then tap OK, and we need to enter the current pin code for our SIM. So let me do that, tap OK, and then we have the option to change SIM pin. So tap on the change SIM pin option, and then first we need to enter our current pin code. Press OK. Now we need to enter our new code. Press OK, and then enter the new code once again. So we need to confirm our new code. Tap OK, and there we go. SIM pin has been changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.